Welcome back, everybody. It is my favorite time of the year to be fishing here at Strawberry Reservoir. Today I'm taking you along with me, and we're gonna hopefully catch another buster. Let's get on it. I'm getting a bite. The white tube jig is hit. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Ooh. There he is. There he is. Got him. We're going to turn this off for a second. And we're going to bring this guy in. Nothing like getting back out here at Strawberry. Heck yeah, guys. Got another beautiful fish. All right, guys, I'm gonna do my very best here, but I ended up forgetting my net at home. So, don't judge me, I'll do my best. Come here, bud. Ooh. There he is. Oh, he just come right off. He just come off. Oh, yeah. Just like that, guys. What a way to start the night of fishing. We're here at Strawberry, over here by the marina. And boy, we're here. Hopefully we can catch a whole bunch more of these guys. See you, bud. Yeah, that's awesome. That didn't take long. I bet you I'm maybe 5 minutes out. It looks like my pop gear with the flatfish on it isn't getting any hits on it, so might as well pull it up here as soon as I get this one back down. All right. Yeah, that was a good sized fish. Awesome. I'm gonna try to find a little bit deeper water. As currently right now we're at 25 feet. Oh, just to also let you know that the water temp is dropping. We're down to 59 degrees. All right, I'm starting to see more fish as we're getting deeper still. The fish are still deep, but I'm hoping that they're still gonna be pretty active. So far, so good, like that. Oh, we're just getting hit right now. Oh yeah, I got another one. Yeah! Yeah, come on, buddy. He's a fighter. All right, let's see if we can't get this guy. Man, I'm really missing my net right now. Here, bud. Oh, this guy's just a littler feller. We'll just go ahead. Oh yeah, look at that. Just barely caught him right there. Holy smokes. Let's let him go. All right, bud. See ya. Yeah. I think today's gonna be a good night of fishing. We're gonna have a great night of fishing. I've already got a fish on. Oh yeah, got him. I can't even get my second pole out. Woo! Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, this was a little bigger. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see him well. Maybe this camera will get it better. There you go. Beautiful fish. Just let him go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. We'll go ahead and keep our eye on this pole over here now. We've got a curly-tailed grub on there with a piece of shrimp. Yeah, we're out here 53 foot deep. I think I want to be a little bit closer, a little bit around that 30, 35 foot. Seemed like I was seeing more fish about in that depth. I heard I got a fish on this. I put it down and there's already a fish. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, yeah, got it. Definitely, I need to change that curly tail grub to this white tube jig because this is killing it. Heck yeah. Another good one. Whew. Man, I'm really missing my net right now. Looks like a nice looking cutthroat. It almost looked like a rainbow for a second. We're going with a cutthroat. Beautiful. Let's let him go. See you, bud. Yeah, the fish are looking at the bait, but they're not taking it on this curly-tailed grub. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it on up and put a white tube jig back on there, and we'll have both of our poles with some tube jigs on. Ooh, got one, got another one. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, yeah. These are good fish. Hey, did I say I was missing my net? Oh, there he goes. That's good. We let him go. Perfect. That's how we like it, right? Alright, guys, also what I like to do is I end up on these really bigger tube jigs. I like to put a longer shanked hook on. That way the hook actually passes the solid part of the tube, so it's a little easier on the hookups. These ones are just some cheap hooks from Eagle Claw, Walmart, you know, but they've been working pretty good. It's almost as if they're liking to chase the bait rather than just sitting here jigging. I might just pull up anchor and just kind of drift fish for a little bit, because I was just nailing them left and right when we were trolling, just barely moving. Ooh, get hit. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. See if he pops off. Birdie. Oh yeah, I got one on my left or my right one. Oh yeah, 2 back to back. Oh man. Oh yeah, this is a good one. There he goes. You know, that's one thing I'm noticing now, between now and summertime, is the fish are actually, like, they're going at the bait and just, they're not hesitating. They're grabbing it and eating it rather than just kind of pecking at it. Fish, he's on me already. Let's see if he hits it. Like, these guys are like just nailing it. Like, there goes the sun, it's almost gone. Man, this time of year is beautiful. Like, the leaves are just yellow as yellow and reds and oranges. So cool. I love it. right, guys, I have to say, I will be putting out a video of Jason's and Travis's deer hunt. I'm just kind of waiting to get more of the footage that they took, and I got to get it downloaded and get it put together. But I am working on it so we can actually have some closure to see what they actually killed, and they shot some dandies. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss any of that. So also, I've actually had a couple weeks off. I've had a couple family vacations. We actually went to Universal Studios in Florida at the new park, the Universal Epic, and it was amazing. It was fun. We had so that took up the 2 weekends, and then after that, congratulations to myself and my wife. We completed our 25th wedding anniversary, and then the following week after that, my mother came in town. So I've had an amazing month, but it does feel good to be back out fishing. This is super fun. It's always one of my favorite pastimes, and there it is. Oh, he come off. Ooh. I just had a hit on this one. Good solid hit. Good solid hit. Nope, he's off. Oh yeah, he's back. He's back. I got to keep my eye on my left pole. We're gonna end up catching 2 of them. Oh yeah. Whoa. Good fight. Good fight. Oh yeah. Another cutty. Awesome. Heck yeah. Love it. Right on the side of the mouth. See you, bud. Got him. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got another one. Oh, this one's biting hard. Almost reminds me of a rainbow. Nope, that's a cutthroat. Good looking fish. Check him out. All right, guys, another one for the books. Let's let him go. Oh yeah, I've got another one, I think. Getting a little hit on this little guy. I'm getting hit on both sides. Both sides I'm getting hit. Let's double up. I keep missing them. There's that one. Oh, and that one. I got 2. Let's see if that one stays on. That was awesome. I've got 2. Doubling up. Let's hurry up and get this guy gone. They're out of here. What's up, buddy? It's awesome. Check him out. Oh, dude, he's a fatty. There we go. There we go. See ya. All right, we got that one out of here. Let's reel this guy up now. Oh my gosh, he's flopping all over back there. He's a heavier one than the last one. Oh yeah, he's a good one. I better turn the motor off so we're stop moving. There we go. Oh yeah. Here he is right here. He's under us. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Heck yeah. Woo. All right, guys. Doubled up here. Let's let him go. That was fun. Let's do that again. Ooh, missed him. He'll come back. He'll come back. Yep, got him. Got him. He's a decent fish. Man, I'll tell you, the night bite is so fun up here at Strawberry. It is amazing. Yeah. Yeah. What a beautiful night. Amazing. Wow. I'm getting hit on my left one again. Oh yeah. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, he come off. He'll come back. There he is, got him this time. Oh yeah. See you, bud. Ooh, I'm getting hit on my left. Getting hit on my left. Oh yeah, buddy. Come on, don't be shy. Got him. Got him. Woo. Man, these guys are aggressive. He's not happy with me. All right. See you, bud. All right, guys, it's starting to get dark. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on fishing a little bit more. Heck yeah. So I would have to say that the fall bite is here. This is my favorite time of year to fish, all the way from now all the way up until the ice season hits. Fishing just is absolutely fast fishing. Fish are hungry, fish are trying to fatten up before the winter, the ice season, so heck yeah. If you can get on up here and enjoy the fall fishing and the fall colors, it's absolutely beautiful up here. But with all that being said, guys, I'm heading home. Go ahead and stay safe. We'll see you on the next one.